Want to build a production line performance dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our production data. The file uploads instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch AI work its magic. Bricks analyzes our data, identifies key patterns, and automatically generates the perfect visualizations. Our production line performance dashboard is complete with 5 interactive charts showing output trends, defect distribution, downtime analysis, and efficiency metrics, plus detailed summary tables. We can instantly customize the theme and colors. Now let's switch to presentation mode for a full-screen experience perfect for meetings and executive reviews. The clean interface highlights our key performance indicators beautifully. Back to edit mode, we can interact with every element, customize layouts, and dive deeper into our data. Try Bricks today and transform your data workflow.